Welcome back everyone to my subscribers and new viewers. Hopefully new viewers will become subscribers. Today we're going to be making another slow cooker, but we got to start it on the stovetop. We're going to be making a hamburger stew. So in the pot I've got 2 pounds of ground beef. I've got 2 stalks of celery chopped. I've got a tablespoon of minced garlic, and I've got 2 racquetball size onions chopped. So we're just going to cook this until it browns over medium-high heat. The hamburger and onions and celery are completed. So now we're going to start adding in the rest of the stew slash soup. So I've got 2 carrots chopped. I've got a red, a green, and a yellow bell pepper chopped. I've got 5 red skin potatoes cut up into cubes. Half a teaspoon of salt, that's kosher. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If your family likes spicy, you can go heavier on that. 1 full teaspoon of ground dried parsley, and half a teaspoon of thyme. 4 beef bouillon cubes. 3 cups of beef stock. 1 can of whole tomatoes. We're going to chop those up in a second. That was 14.5 ounces, and this is 6 ounces of tomato paste. Just chop these tomatoes up. You may need to add stock throughout the day, depending on how it's boiling down. Low heat, slow cooker, 8 hours. Welcome back. It's been a little over 8 hours. Our stew, hamburger stew soup, whatever you want to call it, is completely cooked. So from here, it's just time to serve it up. If you like cheeseburgers, I'm just going to work with a shredded cheese that I happen to have. Use whatever kind of cheese you like on your cheeseburger. And there you go. Hamburger stew or soup. You can thicken it up too if you want. Add a little cornstarch at the end to make it more of a stew consistency. But to me it's a little thicker than soup. So you know the drill. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, subscribe, share, and like. Give me your comments below. And I hope to have you back for my next video. Take care.